Is it actually possible to get a legit sear that you usually get from a grill on a pellet smoker? We're putting a $5 family pack of chicken drumsticks to the test. But that's not all. We're also dunking them in Alabama white sauce to transform this budget chicken into a restaurant quality meal. Let's get into it. Now for the ultimate flavor cheat code. We're dry brining these tonight. All that means is we hit them with our rub and let them sit on a wire rack in the fridge overnight. Don't skip this part. The salt dries out the moisture, dissolves the rub, and pulls all the flavor deep into the meat so it stays incredibly juicy on the grill. Plus, it dries out the skin, which is the secret to getting that perfect backyard bite instead of rubbery chicken. It takes 2 minutes tonight, but it saves your dinner tomorrow. Alright guys, we're making our Alabama white sauce. First, we need 1 cup of mayo, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of horseradish, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Using the W sauce today, it has a little bit of kick to it. And then 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. The recipe usually calls for cayenne pepper, but I've changed it to smoked paprika. And there's your Alabama white sauce. Probably should have doubled the recipe, but you know, you live and you learn. Easiest way to clean out the drip pan is using a drywall knife and a Walmart bag. That needs to be cleaned out. Sticky stuff, for sure, could cause a grease fire here. I'm actually gonna use the grill grates as well today. I'm gonna set it for 300 degrees. Sometimes the pellet smoker has a hard time getting up to temperature. So go ahead and open the vents. A lot of smoke comes out, but also a lot of oxygen comes in for the fire. Once you see those little orange flames at the bottom there, that means the fire has kind of lit, and now your pellet smoker is ready to go. Now for the easy part. We're gonna set these chicken drumsticks in the pellet grill for an hour and not check on it until an hour later. The best part about these drumsticks is that this pellet grill will be doing the heavy lifting, so I can actually hang out with my family while dinner cooks. I literally just let it sit there for an hour as the chicken cooks. If you're trying to balance a crazy schedule but still want real deal barbecue on the table, hit subscribe. We do a lot of that around here. An hour is up and these are perfectly cooked. Now it's time for the sear. This part is totally optional, but I like to crank up the heat and sear both sides of the drumstick for just a few minutes. If you're in a rush to get dinner on the table, you can skip this part. All right, for the taste test, I am so excited to try this out. Wow, all right, here we go. Dip it in there. Oh man, look at that. All right, let's try these bad boys out. Ooh, those bones are hot. Yeah, they're pretty dang good. It's messy. I still can't believe how juicy that chicken bite was. I've never seen anything like that before. Give this a shot on your grill and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Check out the channel for more quick backyard recipes and we'll catch you on the next cook.